Park would like to welcome everyone to the 50th anniversary celebration. This first ever drone show on the Outer Banks is sponsored by the Friends of Jockey's Ridge State Park and the Outer Banks Tourism Bureau. We hope you enjoy the show.
My brother soaring for the first time on a dune, not unlike this one. Jockey's Ridge isn't just a local treasure, it's part of the fabric of North Carolina. Tonight, we honor its As the sun sets over these golden sands, we are reminded why we protected this place. Jockey's Ridge sunsets have lit up memories for generations. The wind that shaped the dunes lifts us too. From hang gliding to kite flying, this park is a place for joy, freedom, and flight. Where the dunes meet the sea, you'll find another Outer Banks tradition, fishing. It's a way of life passed from generation to generation. Lighthouses like Body Island are icons of the coast, and on a clear day visible from the top of the ridge. They've stood tall through storms and time, just like this park. waves invite us in. Surfing is another chapter in the story of the Outer Banks, bold, free, and full of energy. Tonight, we celebrate 50 years of Jockey's Ridge State Park. A birthday, a legacy, a triumph of people who cared enough to protect a place. Thanks to the friends of Jockey's Ridge and so many others, this park thrives. Here's to the next 50 years of sand, sky, and stewardship. Jockey's Ridge is a gift, wrapped in wind and wonder. Inside is a promise to protect what matters. We close with a message that started it all. Save our sand dunes. To everyone who stood up, spoke out, and shaped this place, thank you. And to Jockey's Ridge, happy 50th anniversary.
That proves that Biden is a clone.
gotta get out of here.